What's up, everyone? Today we're going to cover a very important subject that I've heard being talked about a lot these days, and that is side hustles. Side hustles are basically a flexible job you do on the side to bring in some extra cash. A lot of us have jobs that we are committed to and basically takes about 8 hours of our working day, but we don't mind spending some time on the side to make some extra money. Now, a lot of the side hustles I hear about are almost as stressful as a normal job. And those are not the types that I'm showing you today. Instead, I want to show you side hustles that are simple, easy, and free, and that you can give as much or as little time as you want and still make good extra cash. In today's video, I will walk you through 7 of the best paying and easiest side hustles to do today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to learn more about earning extra income. Let's get to it. Number 1 on my list is mystery shopping. This is one side hustle I love a lot, and I do quite a bit of mystery shopping myself. Mystery shopping is a simple and fun way to make money by evaluating the customer service of different businesses. Think of it as going on the ground as a regular customer and reporting back on your experience, and companies value your feedback a lot because they use your feedback to improve their services. Mystery shopping can be as easy as visiting a store, dining at a restaurant, or even shopping online. And the best part? You get paid for your time, and often you get reimbursed for your food and purchases. Payments can be anywhere from $50 to $500 depending on the shop. Now, how can you find mystery shopping companies? There are many mystery shopping companies in Canada and other countries, and I will leave the names and links of the ones that I have enjoyed working for the most in the description below. It's a very easy side hustle that is fun, simple, and you do it only in your free time. Number 2 is completing simple mini tasks. Now, there are companies that offer you mini tasks like giving your opinion on a website, or simple tasks like you collect and label images, text, speech, audio, video, and other data used to build and improve AI system. This is very easy to do, and you can choose among different projects. They even have a project where you do some shopping on Facebook and provide your feedback. You get to keep the purchases and you get reimbursed for what you paid for. For some of them, you make a time commitment of maybe 20 hours a week at the minimum. I have been doing this for many years in my spare time. And even though it's not loads of money, it is a side hustle that pays really well, in my opinion. One company I have worked with very well is Appen, and I will leave their link in the description below so you can go check them out. When I checked, they had lots of projects you could consider. At number 3 is a side hustle that is very popular in Canada, and that's working as an Uber or a Lyft driver. Uber and Lyft is available in mostly all the major cities in Canada, and so on average you can earn between $20 to $30 per hour, which is much more than the minimum wage here in Ontario. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, I didn't come to Canada to be a cab driver, calm down. I have been in Ubers where the Uber drivers were actually doctors, nurses, chefs, teachers, and managers. These are high paying and respectable jobs. But guess what? These people drive Uber in their spare time because in Canada, Uber is not considered something that's meant only for low income or uneducated people. In Canada, Uber is considered something that people actually enjoy doing in their spare time while earning some extra cash. But okay, if you're not sold on driving an Uber, then there's another option for you. And that brings us to number 4, which is grocery delivery. This is another very popular side hustle in Canada that became even more popular during COVID. And it's quite simple. You can deliver food with Uber Eats, DoorDash, or even skip the dishes. And all you need is a car, a bicycle, or a motorcycle. Or in fact, you can even deliver food on foot. There's even another option to this where you get paid by doing grocery shopping for people and then delivering them to their homes. Both these options provide you with good pay and flexible hours, as you can choose your own schedule. Now, if you don't want to drive or work because you just want to relax, right? You can still use your car to make money. And that brings us to side hustle Number 5. And with this one, rather than driving your car as an Uber or Lyft driver, you rent it out on Turo. And if you don't know what Turo is, think Airbnb, but for your car. So it's very similar to Airbnb where you rent your house or apartment on a short-term basis. Similarly, you can rent your car on a short-term basis on a planned platform like Turo and make 40 to 50 bucks a day or significantly more if you have a significantly cooler car. If you have a car you don't use daily, probably because you work from home, this is a great side hustle that requires very little additional work, aside from meeting renters to hand over your keys. And don't worry, Turo provides insurance for its users, so you can be sure your car is safe while it is out there. If you are gaining value so far, please leave a like to this video and subscribe if you would like to get updated when we post future valuable videos like this. Now moving on, the next side hustle I want to share with you guys is completing simple user tests. This one is really great. Now there's a ton of platforms that want you to do little tasks like test apps or websites and give your feedback. And in many cases, you need to record your screen and record your voice when you give this feedback. I really love doing this because it's quite fun and they pay quite decently. You can earn, like $20 for a 20 minutes test or something like that. There are many platforms that offer these services, and one example is testing.com. It's a good idea to join several platforms to get more opportunities. And like I said before, these are usually short tasks you can complete in 30 minutes or so. So you can actually just do them when you have breaks in your day. The number 7 side hustle is to become a language teacher or tutor. There are a lot of platforms where you can do that. For example, Cambly. This is just one out of many different tutoring platforms. You can just go online and search and you'll find like a ton of different such platforms. If you're a fluent English speaker, then you can earn quite decent money, especially if you're able to do this on several platforms at the same time. And if you also add transcription services to it, that would be great. A transcription service is a business service that converts speech into a written or electronic text document. And there are many freelancing platforms on which you can provide these services. I will try and leave a few of them in the description below so you can go check them out. So there you have it, 7 very simple and easy side hustles you can do that will not stress you, but instead will help you earn some decent money on the side. If you gained any value, do me a big one by smashing the like button and following if you want to learn more about money. And while you're doing your side hustles, learn how to earn more at your job by checking out this very valuable video next. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.